Well, hello, boys and girls. Are you ready for today's math lesson? Okay, you're going to need your new math workbook. It's bright orange, as you can see. Okay, class, I want you to open up to your 120 chart. Class, we're going to be starting to do and continue to do, work out problems with larger numbers, okay? Our goal this year is that you would know all 120 numbers up to 120 or even past, which many of you already do. So let's go ahead and start out today by counting from 1 to 120. Are you ready? Got your tracking finger ready? Ready, begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120. Class, I want you to pause the video and count by yourselves from 1 to 120. Go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, class, now that you have counted from 1 to 120 all by yourself, I want you to turn to the next available page. It should say Lesson 7 problem set at the top. What do we need to do first? Write our first and last name. And what? And our number symbol and our number. Okay, remember you write your classroom number. Today, class, you can go ahead and write the date on your own if you know it, okay? If not, it's okay. It's not required for today. Class, section 1. This is an example, class, okay, of a counting chart, okay? Now, the directions say to fill in the missing numbers in the chart up to 120. So we have 71. I want you to go down, not across, but down. 71, what comes in between 71 and 73? If you're not sure, go back to your 120 chart. What came in between 71 and 73? 72 did. So the number that's missing is 72. Okay? 71, 72, 73. What comes next? If you're not sure, go back. 71, 72, 73, 74 comes next. Then what comes after that? 75. 76, 77, what comes next? 78. So class, our number chart here is written vertically, okay? So this is section A, section B, section C, and so forth, okay, D and E. Now your 120 chart is written where we count horizontally from left to right. Okay, so if you need to reference your 120 chart, just remember that it's not the same. Okay, it's written horizontally versus your chart over here. we're solving vertically, okay? Now, let's go to the next one. B's starts with 81. 81, 82, 83, 84. What comes next? 85, 86, 87. What comes next? 88, 89, 90. If you're not sure, class, then you would find 89 over here on your 120 chart. And what comes next? 90. Okay. Class, I want you to pause the video and do C, D, and E on your own. Go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, class, now that you've finished section C, D, and E on your own, we're going to turn the page over. Make sure you're still on lesson 7 problem set. Section 2 asks you to write the numbers to continue the counting sequence to 120. Now, class, we see that there's commas in between the numbers, okay? So we're going to continue counting, and yes, we're going to continue writing horizontally, just like we counted on our 120 chart at the beginning of this lesson. Now, we're going to start with 96. 96, 97, 98. What comes next? 99. What comes after that? 100. So again, class, if you're not sure, go to 96. Some of you will know. Some of you need extra support. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, and you keep going, okay, in writing your numbers to 120. So we had 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. What comes next? 101. What comes next? 102. What comes after that? 103. Remember, we need to be in the hundreds place, you need 3 digits. 103, you need a 0 in the middle, okay? If you just wrote 1 and 3, that would be the number 13, not the number 103, okay? 100 and what comes next? 4. What comes after that? 105. What comes after that? 106. Keep going. 107. After that, 108. Now go ahead and pause the video and finish writing your numbers all the way to 120. Okay, class, let's move on. Section 3 says, circle the sequence that is incorrect. Rewrite it on the line. So which counting sequence is incorrect? We see 107, 108, 109, 110, 120. Then we see 99, 100, 101, 102, 103. Which one is incorrect? It's A. A is incorrect. Okay? They went from 110 to 120. If you look, class, on your 120 chart, we start with what number? 107. 107, 108, 109, 110. What should come next? 111 should come next, not 120. So I want you to write this sequence correctly on this line and put commas in between your numbers. 107, comma, 108, comma. Keep going, okay, as you write it correctly. Go ahead and pause the video now and finish your sequence of numbers. Okay, class, looking at number 4. Number 4 says fill in the missing numbers in the sequence, okay? So we have in A, we have 4 problems that we need to do, right? A, B, C, D. Okay, 115, 116, what comes next? 117, what comes after that? 118, whoops, 118. Right, what comes next, class? Okay, now go to B. Now that you wrote what comes next, go to B. Well, we have 2 missing numbers, then we have 118, then we have another missing number and 120. So what comes between 118 and 120? 118, 119. Then what comes before 118 when we count? Before that is 117. You can reference that over here on your 120 chart class. We have 118 right here, 120, 119 was missing. Then we had two numbers before that was missing, right? One number before 118 is 117. Then what comes before that? 116, right? So we'd write the missing number, 116. So class, I want you to complete C and D on your own as you fill in the missing numbers to complete the sequence. When you are finished, class, please send me a picture, an entire picture of this page. I want to see the lesson number. I want to see all your answers without anything being cut off. And I need your photo to be clear so I can read your answers, okay, and grade it. And then you're also going to take a picture of this completed entire page from the lesson number all the way down here, okay, without anything being cut off through your Class Dojo account.